This is my notes for Penn and Teller's Masterclass. This is episode 5, Misdirection. Misdirection is one of the key factors of magic to try to just get you to look over here while something else happens over here. It goes back to the ball in the hand. It distracts you. It makes you think that it's here when it's in here, and then it's gone, right? So the point that they started out with, or Teller said, was that you're making the audience write stuff, just have the idea in their head, right? So I don't know how I would apply to this, anything I do in my life in any way, but it's an interesting method to know. To maybe it's a way to get out of work, but it's a way to, I mean, the distract always comes back up, but it's misdirection. There is a difference between those words, and I thought that was interesting because I thought they would be synonymous. But honestly, I don't sit around thinking about magic all that much. I would like to watch it. So, I mean, to have this insight is interesting, but things like this, I understand what they're saying, but I wonder, as a layperson who doesn't want to start doing magic, I already get too much crap. Uh, where does this apply in life? I always feel that when you have that, that's always the default question, right? How are we going to do this in the real world? It's like, well, uh, where would you do this in the real world? I'm not totally sure, but I really appreciate the craftsmanship of just how much thought gets put into its trick. Yeah, a lot of work goes into it, but a lot of thought goes into what the intellectual takeaway from it is, which is really interesting. So, Masterclass. These have been fun so far. I'm a huge Penn and Teller fan, so just watching this is just icing on the cake. So, if you're interested in it, it's not. It's like a couple bucks, right? And they have some other unsavory people that I wouldn't want to associate with, but I didn't buy their class. I bought Penn and Teller's class, so I'll just leave it at that. Episode 5 on to episode 6.